Seeing a green dot on your iPhone screen? Here's how to turn it off. Close camera and running apps. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Now look for the camera app or any app that might be using your camera. Simply swipe up on the app to close it. Check Camera Access Apps if the dot keeps coming back. Go to the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Again, scroll down and click on the camera option. Here you'll see a list of all apps that have camera access. If you see any app you don't trust or don't use, simply turn off the toggle next to it. This prevents the app from turning on your camera again. Force restart your iPhone. If the green light still doesn't go away, it could be a software glitch. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the logo, release the button. This safely reloads your iPhone system and does not delete any of your data. And that's it. For more iPhone tips and tricks, subscribe.